Hi, this is Rich Bucola here in New York City, and today on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to stuff a tomato.
So we're here with our 3 nice cloves of garlic. Remember to be careful. Just slice very thin one way with the garlic, like so. And as you're slicing, just pulling back. And then what you want to do is turn your garlic the other way. You can give this a little slice. Oh, don't worry if you... Listen, cutting is not important. Don't worry if you're not the best chef. The important thing is that you're in the kitchen cooking. Gonna give this a chop. And don't worry if it's not the consistency or the size you want, because what you do then is just work your chopping method or your motion of bringing the back of the blade up and down as the point's in front. And what you do is just chop it to the size you want. Moving the garlic in. And always remember to take it off of your blade. And just keep chopping until you get the size that you want. Chopping is an easy thing. It's very therapeutic. You can get the kids involved here. And again, here's your other pieces. Just giving them a big cut that way. Turn it this way. And you'll see, they're big pieces, but look at how quick you can get them down to the size you want.